Hey everyone, if you want to turn on or turn off call blurring on your Android device, I will show you how to do it step by step. First, open the phone app and tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner or settings icon if you have one. From there, go to settings and look for the call blurring option. If you don't see it, go to carrier feature or carrier related any kind of settings depending on your phone model. Now select call blurring and choose the type of call you want to block or unblock. You will see options like all outgoing calls, international calls, incoming calls, and more. To enable or disable call blurring, tap on the option you want and enter your call blurring password. The default password is usually 0000 or 1234. But if it doesn't work, contact your network provider for assistance. Once you enter the password, your selected call blurring option will be turned on or off. If you ever need to reset the call blurring settings, go back to the same menu and disable all restrictions. That's it, you have now successfully managed call blurring on your Android device. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips. See you in the next one.